We're going to do a tour of rock and roll history here in New York City from an app called Tales and Tours. So Robin, you found this on the app. We finally got into the app. What do you think of it? And what are we doing today?
I'm not sure. We're starting at the Palladium. And we'll just have to fill you in as we go because I really don't know.
I guess we'll check it out. Well, the great thing about doing self-guided tours and you're walking around is you find other things. So on the way to the tour, we bumped into a market. And we know how you like markets, right, Robin?
Yeah.
So we're going to check out the market before we start the tour. All right, I think we're done here. We're on with the tour. So this right here is the Palladium, and it used to house a lot of live rock and roll music back in the day, starting back in the 1960s. And I mean, groups like the Rollingstones were here, the Clash, a bunch. And then it turned into a live recording studio session thing. And then after that, NYU bought it up, which is why we're here at NYU. And now it's like a dormitory. It's like a dormitory. So completely changed, but has a lot of history on rock and roll. Webster Hall was built in 1886. RCA bought this in 1950. Groups like U2 and Sting, after the Police, performed here. So it still has live music and it's a dance club on the weekend. So behind me is Joe's Pub, and we've actually seen some live stuff there. But Hair, the musical production of Hair, was actually first started right there. So number 23 there on St. Mark's Place. Actually, Andy Warhol at one point owned this, and bands like the Grateful Dead and the Velvet Underground played there. There's a lot of history there. Led Zeppelin's Physical Graffiti album had this on the cover of the album. Those steps too is where Mick Jagger actually, if you saw the video, we're just waiting for a friend. Those are the steps that he was on. So we love street art, and I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, being on a rock and roll tour and you see artwork out there about punk, it's pretty cool. This is not on the tour, but Criff Dogs has a really cool little speakeasy. So you go in there and to the left, there is a telephone booth. And you pick up the phone in the telephone booth and they'll open up the door, and then you may or may not be able to get in depending how crowded it is. And then if you can't get in, they'll actually put you on a, they'll text you if something opens up. The last time we tried it, we never got on the list, but we tried. This was one of the oldest parks in New York City. Lou Reed actually sings a song called Hold On, which is about this park. So there was a riot in this park in 1988, and they actually still have a concert in the park every year to commemorate that. Looks like they're getting ready to film some stuff here. Pretty interesting store as we're going on this tour. Hi, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good. What do you think we're going to get?
I was just looking. I actually just wanted to get out of the food and looking.
Right. Good question. So that bank right there used to be a theater, and bands like Cream and The Who played there. And Tommy was actually debuted there. At the time it was called Fillmore East. Not anymore. So this street is called Joey Ramone Street, named after Joey Ramone from the Ramones, and they named that street that because he died of cancer, and so it's a memorial to him. This store used to be called CBGB's, and they used to have music there, live music there all the time. Now it's just a store, but they sell all sorts of rock stuff. All right, we're done. We didn't finish the tour because it was too long and it's like 90 degrees out. So we didn't finish it. But what do you think, Robin?
Yeah, I liked it. I thought it was very interesting. And even, you know, not even just the places they take you, but just walking to the places, you get to see and discover new things.
Yeah, that's what was cool about these tours, is you get to see a lot of stuff. So anyway, the thing came off, it was called Tales and Tours, and what was the name of this specific tour? It was like the rock and roll one? Yeah, Rock and Roll Manhattan, something like that. I'll put it up there. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you know anybody who can use videos like this, make sure you share it with them. And if you want to continue your healthy living journey, stay online, and 2 videos are going to pop up, and you click on any of those videos and you can continue your healthy living journey. And we will see you all next time.